pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want, then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment.
Hey everyone, it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi. I'm real glad you clicked on this video. Today I'm going to be unboxing both of my Boxy Charm base boxes and we're going to do a try on. So if that's something you guys want to see, then keep on watching. Alright, so FedEx came today, guys, and I have never ever gotten a box this small unless it was add-ons. And I'm like, okay, so I have no idea. I'm guessing there's like probably no palette in this one, but I have both my base boxes and I want to unbox them. And I don't have eyeshadow on because I'm hoping that I get the palette that everybody's been getting, and we're just going to see. So I'm going to do both of my Boxy Charm base boxes. All right, guys, settle down. Of course, when I'm getting ready to film. Alright, so we'll do the tiny one first, and then at the end of this video I'm going to go ahead and pull the winner from the Natasha Denona palette in last month's Boxy Charm. Okay, so, oh my gosh, look how many. This cracks me up. Alright, let's open her up, and I will put the variations that I get on the screen for you. And, ooh, okay, let's see what we got. The Tarte Tape Shape Glow Wand. That's Kayla. This is a $27 value. An instant eye lift in a tube. Sheer liquid brighteners let your skin come through to deliver a natural lit from within youthful glow. I have this. I got this already. Oh, I think I had it the wrong way. I got this already, and I used it today actually. I absolutely love mixing it with Jaclyn's new brightening powders. I just like it a lot. I'm going to go ahead and see which shade I got. I used the shade Aglow, and I'm not sure which one this is. So let's just pull it out and see. Okay, so I have the tiny ones because I wanted to get a few of them, and I did a video on this when I first got it. Okay, so this is what it looks like. This here, that's the wand, and then it looks like you've got a sponge on the other side. Oh, that's kind of cool. Let me just, I guess the other side is for when after you apply it, you use the sponge to press it into the skin. This one is Dream. Okay, I'm going to swatch this. Ooh, it looks just like a concealer right now. Let me blend it out with my sponge, and let's see what I do with my sponge. Uh-oh, what's going on with her? Oh, here's the glow. Ooh, that's a nice glow. Oh, I like this shade. I'm so excited.
Hey, you be careful with her.
Yay! So, super happy to get this. Okay, the next thing I see is Hey Honey Come Clean Propolis and Minerals Facial Scrub. Okay. This is the box. A rich exfoliating Dead Sea Salt Scrub designed to be gentle enough for even the most sensitive skin. Okay, it rehydrates the skin, it gets rid of dead skin cells, and the result is clearer, smoother, and brighter skin. Okay, so it has an MSRP of $29. Let's open it. Alright. This is what the packaging looks like. Of course, it's full size. It's got a safety seal on it. Woohoo! Alright, so I'm just gonna... Ooh, the scent is nice, and it's definitely gritty. So, yeah, I'm excited to try that out. I love getting new skincare, and I love getting it in the boxes because then I don't have to buy it. Don't have to buy it for the month. It's like, alright, shopping, don't have to go if I don't want to for that anyway. Alright, the next thing I see is First Aid Beauty. It says Hello Fab Coconut Skin Smoothie Priming Moisturizer. I think it's weird when we have priming moisturizers. I don't know. It's priming to me, you're smoothing out the skin or you're filling in the pores or both. And with moisturizer, you can't really do that. But then again, I have larger pores, so I need me a good primer. Coconut Skin Smoothie. I need glasses. Priming moisturizer. But you guys didn't know I wear glasses. I just don't wear them when I'm doing videos. Okay, so this also has a safety seal. The smell is fine. Let me see what it looks like. Oh, okay. It's thicker than what I expected. Let me go ahead and put some over here. Definitely doesn't feel like a primer. It's more of a moisturizer. The scent is a little weird, but it's not bad. Okay, so I see a little bit of hydration and a nice glow. So that's what we got from that. Now I see Trestique. We've gotten Trestique in Boxycharm before. We've gotten mainly the mascara, I remember. This is the brow pencil and brow gel in Mocha. Okay. Ooh, $26 I think it says. And it's a new launch. Woohoo! I love it when we get new launches. That means it hasn't or it's just hit the market. Oh, this is what it looks like. Okay. You twist off the bottom. Oh, that's a brow gel. Okay. Brow gel. And the other side. Ooh, okay. Let me go ahead and swatch her. Oh, she's a little hard. Oh, she's very hard. I don't like that. It feels really hard. There's no way I could use this. Not at all. But that's okay. This is what the color actually looks like. The color is not really my color either, but that's alright. I mean, I could try it. We'll see what happens. I might be able to use it towards the end of my brow. Let me see. Let's just see how it... I like it when it has these angles, but it's kind of hard. Although, yeah, I could totally use it for the end. Possibly even... Alright. At least it's not too soft or it's mushing the skin where you can see it. So maybe it will work. I'll have to let you guys know on that. Okay, the last thing I see is Tint Beauty Haze Smoky Eye Pencil. Oh, I like the packaging. $18 value. Achieve both definition and blendability with this pencil. Create precision and feather edges with a soft dab, fingertip, or beauty sponge. And you can define a wing, it says. Okay. So let's open it up and see what it's like. Oh, I do like the packaging. That's kind of cool. Here it is here. It's black. Oh, I love me some. Oh, and it's creamy. Okay, yeah. I definitely. Oh, it's pigmented. Guys. Yes. Oh, I'm loving it. Oh yeah, gel liners. You can be a part of my collection anytime. Wow, did you see that? I got it up here. It's okay, not a big deal. All right, so I'm liking that a lot. All right, so that's what we got in here. So I got the gel liner. We got the brow dual-ended thing. You got the brow pencil on one end, and you got the gel on the other. And I didn't use that, so let's try it. This is what. Ooh, okay. Not bad. Alright. So that's good. Not bad. I'm liking it. And then we got the Tarte Glow Wand, which I'm super happy about. Got the Honey Cleanser. And then the moisturizer. Right? Yep, that's everything. Alright, so that's not a bad box. No eyeshadow palette in there, but that's okay, because I really do like the other items. So that's not bad. Now let's open the bigger box and see what we got. Right, put this one down here. Here it is. It's a little heavier. this is what she looks like. Oh yeah, the first thing I see is the Cab Cosmetics, which I was so hoping I got, and I did. Cool. All right, we're gonna try her at the end. So we have another Tarte Glow Wand, and it looks a little bit darker. Let me see the shade. What's the shade? I think we have to take her out in order to see. Oh, it's a Glow. It's the one that I have, that I use. Okay. I'm going to show you what this guy looks like. Alright. Let's put over here. Yeah, it's like a little bit of a pinky peachy kind of undertone. Let's blend it out. Oh yeah. See that glow? Yes! I'm excited. I really wanted these. Okay, so the Cab Cosmetics. Let's go past that for now. The First Aid Beauty, I got another one of these. Alright, cool. So I got another moisturizer. This had a $30 value if I didn't tell you that before. And we already used it, so I'm going to go ahead and leave it in here. And then Dry Bar. Ooh, I don't like dry shampoo. Okay, this is Hot Toddy Before Ironing Heat Protectant Mist. Okay, so that's okay then. I could use this. A lightweight spray protects dry hair from heat styling with curling, straightening, and styling irons up to 450 degrees. $27 value. Okay. Alright, I'll definitely try that out. Then we have the same eyeliner, but it's in a different shade. Yes! Okay, cool. Tint Beauty Hazy Smoky Eye Pencil. It has an $18 value. Let's check out the color. Ooh, I got a black one, and let's see what this one is. I'm guessing green. Let's open her up. Oh yeah. This one, yeah, okay. It's right here. I'm liking it. Awesome. Now for the big reveal. Okay. Here it is. Okay, so in this box, I'll put the variation on the screen and the total amount, but we got the coconut moisturizer, the protectant mist, the glow wand, the gel eyeliner, which I'm happy about that, and then the eyeshadow palette. Alright, let's open her up. I am excited. She has a $52 value, I believe. Let me see. Yes, $52 value. It says Cab Cosmetics Day and Night. Alright, cool. So we should be able to do a daytime look as well as a nighttime look with this. Okay, the packaging is kind of cheap looking to me. I do like the fact that they have the shade names underneath there, and there's a mirror in here, so we can swatch and we can do a look. Let's do that. Okay, gonna go in with a Morphe Madison Beer brush. I do have MAC Paint Pot on my eyes in Bare Study. We've got Naked. Let's try this out. A little bit of kick up, not too much. I know I have that eyeliner still. We'll cover it. I'm not really worried about that. And I've got this bald spot here. Oh, gotta get rid of that. That's gonna drive me insane. My Benefit brow pencil. Okay, we are good. Alright, so we got some neutrals in here. Okay, there is a little more kick up than what I thought. We are just putting this one color all over. It's pretty. And Cab Cosmetics is kind of new to me. We got like the setting spray. No, this was Made from Beauty. I thought we got a Cab one. We might have, and I just can't remember because I get so many stuff. So much stuff. Okay, there's lots of good looking shimmers in here. Let's go in with Sand next. It's a really nice brown. Let's see. Okay, not bad. I like it. Georgia Peach. Oh, that's cute. There's some a burnt orange in here. I'm liking that one too. So you can get a warm or a cool look. Very nice. Cocoa is an even darker matte brown. We'll just kind of pat her down and then blend her out. You grab my master brush because we ain't playing. With a concealer brush, I'm going to go in with Golden Hour. Which is kind of crumbly, but that's okay. Ooh, look at that. That is amazing. It's going to bunch up a little bit. Just means more blending. But that's pretty. Yeah, I like that. I like it a lot. Okay, so what I want to do is take the other side of this brush, put some setting spray on it, and go into Moon Dust. Let's try Moon Dust. Oh yeah. Okay. Yep, loving the shimmers. They're really pretty and they're blending good. The mattes are okay, not bad. I like that. Let me go ahead and go back in with that Madison Beer brush. Just kind of blend, blend, blend. Make the crease darker. It'll make my eye look bigger. Okay, so I finished up. I put on a little bit of a tinted lip gloss and I did some swatches for you. Now guys, overall this is a pretty decent palette. Some of the mattes are dry. I'm going to be honest with you, always. And some of them need to be built up. I can totally tell by the way they swatched. And I tried blending them out a little bit. Overall, is it worth $52? Not in my opinion, but you can get a nice look with this palette, and I do like the variation of the colors in here. You can go with some oranges, browns, burgundy, purples, and even some neutrals, and then maybe a darker smoky eye look. So if you got it, definitely use it. I will definitely use it in another video if you guys would like. Again, here are the swatches. I swatched them for you. Overall, I liked everything I got in both boxes. Even though I did not get a palette in that one box, I still like all the products. I will put as much information with prices and different things on the screen for you. If you have any questions at all, let me know. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I'm sorry I'm a little bit under the weather today. I really need to get outside and maybe take a walk and just take in some sunshine. So I will see you guys really soon in another video. Bye.
Lost in the moment.